Need a quick, healthy meal that fuels your day? Let's make a hearty lentil and veggie soup that's ready in no time. You'll need 1 cup of dried lentils, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, a can of diced tomatoes, 4 cups of vegetable broth, plus garlic, olive oil, and your favorite herbs. Start by chopping up your onion, carrots, and celery. These 3 build the flavor base. Heat olive oil in a pot, then saute the onion, carrots, and celery until they soften. Add garlic, herbs, and lentils, then pour in your broth and diced tomatoes. Give it a good stir. Cover and simmer for about 20 minutes until the lentils are tender and the soup smells amazing. Serve it up. A simple, hearty soup packed with protein and veggies. Perfect everyday fuel. Healthy, easy, and satisfying. In a snap. The full recipe is in the pinned comment. See you next time.